How to examine source code of Firefox extension before installing it. Is there a convenient way to examine the source code for a Firefox extension before installing it? There is a Chrome extension that offers this functionality, though I have not used it, and cannot say how well it works. At any rate, I am interested primarily in Firefox extensions.
To check a Firefox extension source before installing. This works on macOS and Linux. Got to, for example, this URL. Right-click plus add to Firefox and copy link location. Download and unpack the copied URL. The extension source is now in /tmp/extension. To install, if you're happy with the review, open File column /tmp/extension.zippy in Firefox.
As Vladimir pointed out, the zippy file is simply a zip archive put together in a particular way. Open it with WinRAR, 7-zip, or rename it to zip and open it with your OS's default tool. Edit. It appears that Mozilla's add-ons page no longer has this type of install button, so this method won't work. With installed extensions, you can open your Firefox profile folder. Double-click the extensions subfolder. Identify the .exe file of the desired extension. Some are obvious, others not. Right-click on the .exe file and choose Open with, and then possibly, More apps. Choose your zip file management app, WinRAR, 7-zip, etc., and the extension should open as a compressed folder.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.